What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 13 live cop. So this has got to be like the most excited I've ever been for a drop. I know I said that last week with the NCAA jacket, but it seems like they just keep raising the bar. I've been so excited for the Hysteric Glamour collab since they announced it. And if you guys didn't know, the hoodie from 2017 is actually one of my favorite Supreme items of all time. So I'm hoping today we can add another Hysteric Glamour collab piece to the collection. So let's see what's dropping. So it looks like the number one upvoted item is going to be the leather jacket. That's $1,000 though, so I'm not going for that. That might resell though. I don't really know how those jackets do. I've never got any of the Vans and stuff, so I'm not for sure. Next up is the yarn beanie. For some reason, I had no clue that this was going to be $110. This kind of blows my mind. I kind of felt like it was going to do similar to how the hand-tied beanie did last season. Margin-wise, the hand-tied beanie is probably one of my biggest Supreme flips of all time. I think I got close to 10 of those, and I bought them for around $50 and was selling them for around $300. I was kind of getting the same vibe with these, but at $110, I don't really know. They still might go crazy. I'm not saying they won't. I'm just saying I'm actually stumped for this one. I might try to get it though. I'm not for sure. Next up, we're going to try to get some of the tees as well. Only the pinup tee though. I'm probably going to skip out on all the other tees. Then the varsity jacket is so sick, but that's $700. I do really like that though. I'm not going to lie. Another thing we're going to try to go for is going to be the hat. It's $58, which seems kind of low. I know it's just a regular hat, but since it's Vanson, I kind of thought it was going to be more. I'm not going to lie either. I really wanted this bag, but for $700, I'm going to just pass on it. And then my number one most wanted item for the week is going to have to be the mesh long sleeve top. We're going to try to get that in that purple colorway in a size medium. I am praying we can hit this. It's pretty much a jersey though, and I have not hit any jerseys this season for the personal, but I'm hoping today we can change that and pick this up. It's only $118, which seems kind of low considering how high these other prices are. So hopefully we can get that. We're skipping out on the FT. Probably going to skip out on the keychain, but I'm not for sure. Oh, I guess the belt's only $100. I was seeing that the belt was like $600 or something. Maybe that was a typo earlier. So I don't know. Maybe I'll go for the belt. And then I was going to try to go for the football top. I'm having a hard time believing I might be able to sell these. I was thinking about it a lot last night and this morning. I don't really know if these are going to resell. So I'm not for sure if I'm going to try to go for these. They're very, very, very disliked on here though. One of the last things, which is quite surprising. The pillbox hat is so sick. I just have no idea how those are going to fit. And then Supreme finally gives us a baby tee, but it's kind of basic and I don't really like this one. I don't think I'm going to go for it. I don't know. I might change my mind on that, so don't quote me on that. And then we got the Timberland boots, which we will not be going for. And that's crazy. That's actually the most disliked item of the week. So as you can see, there's a lot of things we're going for. I'm praying I can get that jersey for the personal. I'm going to try to do something that I used to do, which I have heard doesn't work anymore, but we're going to try it because if I get two jerseys, the 118 plus 118 still is not free shipping. So before the drop, I'm going to try to add a pair of socks and then get the jerseys. I have heard though that now that it's on Shopify, that doesn't work anymore. I haven't tried it since, but I guess today will be the day that we try. But we got a couple of minutes left until the live cop. So before we get into it, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will put a card on the screen as well as in the description down below. And while you're down there, make sure you follow my brand Sudden. We have a drop coming up next month as well as a Black Friday sale also coming up. So if you're interested in that and want to check it out, I will put a card on the screen as well as all the information in the description down below. And thank you guys so much for the support. Lastly, I have been uploading a lot of shorts, so if that's another thing you're interested in, make sure you check out my channel because I've been uploading every single day for like the last month and a half. So if those are videos that you're interested in, I got a ton of them for you to check out. Oh, and actually there's one more thing. Not next week, but the week after that, I'm unfortunately going to miss the live cop video. So that will be the week that my room tour video will be dropping. Unfortunately, I have to sit that week out because I will be at the shop. So I'm really sorry. It'll be the first miss of the season, but I'm still going to have a video for you guys because I appreciate all your guys' support. And I said we'd upload that video once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I felt like that was the perfect week. And again, I said it like 3 times, but thank you guys so much for the support. Let's get right into this live cop. All right, so we are live on the live cop. Back-to-back weeks, they got me sweating on here. We got about 30 seconds left until the drop. So I'm going to try to add the socks like I was saying. Again, I don't really know if this is going to work. Supposedly they have like patched this, so this might not be a thing anymore. We will see because I don't want to waste any time trying to go for them after I add the jerseys. So we're going to get them in first. And we got 20 seconds left until the drop. I guess real quick we could take a look at the NCAA. Obviously all the jackets are sold out. All the hoodies are sold out. All the jerseys. Everything's gone. That was an absolutely crazy week. And now we got just a couple seconds left until the drop. And it is 11. Let's go. Why is it not refreshing? All right, here we go. We're trying to get this for the personal. We got one. We're going for this one. No, wrong one. Wrong one. There, I think I just cost myself the drop. So it looks like it kept the socks in there, so I don't know what that person was saying on my comments. It kept the socks in there, so I don't think that person was right about that, but who knows? We'll see. It might change. I'm not saying it won't, but we're in line. We got both jerseys in the cart. We got the socks. Should I try to go on my phone? Probably not because we never get anything on the phone, but I guess I could get in line. It's still showing Mitchell and Ness for new. That's weird. Oh, there we go. Wow, the jersey in purple is already sold out in one size. I don't think we're gonna hit this, guys. I don't think we're gonna hit this. Wow, one's already gone. No way. Is it really about to be like this? All right, come on. I want to see right now though to see if that hat really is. And it is $58. And is the yarn beanie? The yarn beanie really is $110. That's actually insane to me. We're through. We're through. Come on. Come on. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. Please don't make me do the CAPTCHA. Please don't make me do the CAPTCHA. No, it did it. This guy told me to refresh after this. Something sold out then. That's what he told me. Something is sold out. Wait, do we get it? Oh my God, we got it. We got it. We got it in a medium. For the personal, we actually got a personal. There's no way. There's no way. All right, we gotta go back. We gotta go back. We have no time to waste. All right, we gotta go. Both the jerseys are showing. Hold on, we need this hat. We need the hat. We're going for this hat right here. We're gonna go for the black hat as well. Whoa, what's going on my trackpad? Am I sweating that much? It's sticking. Should I try to get this, guys? I think this is going to be a terrible idea, but we're going to get one. Like I said, might be a terrible idea. I guess let's get this. Are we going to get the belt? I think I'm adding way too many things to the cart. I don't have time for this. Where is the good tee? I think this is the good tee. Alright, we're going to try to get these in a medium. Okay, limit 2. I don't even know what's in my cart. I don't even know what's in my cart. I don't even think there's a jersey in the cart. I was going to go back and try to get another jersey. I did not have time. Something's going on my trackpad today. Wow, we got right through on that. Are we about to double cart this right now? Are we really about to get through on this right now? No, wow, that yarn beanie is sold out. That's all right. We're still gonna try to pay for this. I think we still got free shipping. Oh, we did get free shipping. All right, that beanie sold out at $110. So I've been very interested to see what that does on the aftermarket. So okay, we got that. Are the jerseys gone? No. Whoa, this can't be real life right now. The jerseys are still here. Maybe not. No, that's sold out. All right, we'll go for, okay, I don't know what's going on here right now. Dang, that probably just cost me it. I don't know what is going on with this click. All right, let's go back. What else do we need? I want to get these shirts again in small this time. Was that everything that I needed? I can't even remember anymore. How much was this? So it actually is $110. I think I might just sit that one out. I'm being crazy right now, wasting that much time with the jerseys in there. So this will, no. So here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna try to check out on this. Something's got to be sold out. No way. Is this really happening to me? Is this about to happen? Are we about to cook? We got it again. That's actually crazy. How did that not sell out? That's insane to me. Oh, wow. What's going on? What just happened? What just happened here? We're on the new. So let's make sure we got everything. I'm pretty sure I just got everything that I need to get. This jersey is still here. Absolutely insane. No one was feeling this like your boy, I guess. Except the white one. That's actually kind of odd that the white one's the only one to sell out. All right, we're going to go back. Here we are on the new. That's sold out. I don't need any more jerseys. Baby T is still here. That is actually quite surprising. I think I'm going to regret not getting this. I'm not going to lie. I think I'm going to regret not getting this. Full size run? Full size run. I'm actually thrilled I did not go for these. Full size run in all of them, and for $100. I'm actually thrilled I did not go for those. Very last minute decision, but I'm glad I changed my mind. The hat sold out in the only color I didn't get. That's kind of funny. Maybe I should have got blue because it's a nice looking color. I'm not gonna lie. So is that gonna do it for the drop? I wish I could have seen a picture of someone wearing this. They may have uploaded one, but I did not see it. I don't want to get this and look ridiculous, so I think I might sit this one out. But this design is really sick. Please tell me the jerseys are gone now. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, it is actually sold out. It just wasn't refreshing itself. Absolutely crazy. So I think that's gonna do it for the week. Let's take one last look. I didn't think the tees were gonna sell out. I might regret this baby tee, but I can't just get one baby tee. I think it's a full size run though, besides the blue. Should I get this? Let me just see something real quick. If I add both of those to the cart, is this gone now? No, it's making me nervous. Dang, it's still not free shipping. I'm assuming it's gonna be sold out by the time I get through. No? Should I get these baby tees? This might be a terrible decision. Let's see. And it's sold out. You know what? I guess it wasn't meant to be. No! What? I didn't want to do that. That might have been one of my biggest L's of the season. That is unfortunate. I can't believe I did. I'm like literally in disbelief right now. I can't believe I just did that. I didn't even know I did that. All right, before I end the screen recording, I guess let's just take one last look. Now we're talking. These jerseys are sold out besides brown. Now we're talking. They caught me off guard with that one. What even was that? That was crazy. I could have went back and just got the shirts or something. The Vanson hat is sold out that I got. All right, so I think that's gonna do it for the screen recording. So I guess I could end this right now. What even was that baby tee thing? I don't think I've ever done that before where I clicked the continue and it automatically checked it out. I wasn't really paying attention, I guess. Maybe I accidentally clicked the wrong thing. I'm upset on that. That was a terrible decision on my part. Besides that though, I think it was a great week. We were able to get the jersey for the personal. I can't believe it took that long to sell out. Like, what is that, like 10 minutes it took to sell out? That's insane. insane. I thought that jersey was so sick. Clearly no one else was feeling it like me, but we got it for the personal, so I'm definitely gonna be making a video when that comes in to show you guys. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I have been uploading a ton of different shorts, as well as uploading every single week since the Supreme season has started. So if that's something you're interested in checking out, make sure you go on my channel and check out all my other videos, because I got a ton of videos up there for you guys. Again, I've said it so much in this video, but I appreciate you guys so much for the support. And since we finally hit 1,000 subscribers again, my room tour video will be coming out in 2 weeks. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video, because you're not going to want to miss that video, because I've been getting so many requests on that, and it's finally coming. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this week, and what was your favorite item of the week. Huge dub for me. I got the item I wanted the most. Let me know if you guys did too. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sutton. All the information is in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.